All right, everybody, welcome back to the video. This is video number 4 of a series of conduit drawing videos for Autocad MEP. One other note, this video had to be redone because YouTube deemed my video too long to upload. So this was actually redone after video number 18. All right, so I'm coming back to video number 4 to redo it, and let's get going here. All right, so first thing we gotta do is once we get AutoCAD opened up is take out the grid, lock the ortho in. Because this is video number 4, I don't think you have this external references window, but you do have the properties window up. Okay, all right, so let's go ahead and draw that conduit. We are gonna do and the video number 4 is kicks and 90s. So guess what we're gonna do? Kicks and 90s. All right, so let's go save as. All right, so you got drawing open. Let's go save as drawing. Okay, and we're going to navigate over to your conduit folder, and we're going to call this kicks and, let's see, conduit, C-O-N, type in conduit 004 kicks with a big N, and 90s. Okay, kicks and 90s. Let's just do that, and we're going to save that in our conduit folder. Let's save that. Okay, so up here it should say that, right? Conduit 004 kicks and 90s. So we're going to make some kicks and 90s, okay? All right. So first thing we're going to do is, you guys all know the conduit command. So let's come up here, click on it, and start the command. You can see down here that it has started, right? All right, so make sure your ortho is locked. Click anywhere on the screen and pull to the right. And we're going to type in 5 feet. How about that? 5 feet, enter. Okay, escape, 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 escape. All right, so we got our piece of pipe, and this pipe is 5 feet long, right? We can see that here. Okay, so we know how to make a 90, so let's grab this, make a 90, highlight it, make sure your ortho is locked. That way you get a nice straight 90, okay? All right, so we're going to go 36 inches for that. Hit enter, escape, escape, escape. All right. Well, we go, hey, now, so we got our run, and this should be at elevation 0, which we see it is at 0. Comes along and makes a 90 and heads off in this direction, right? All right, so let's go to the southwest ISO view. So everybody come up to your views, right here, view. Go up to this cube, and we're going to go southwest isometric, okay? Oh, look at that. Okay, notice the UCS here is now in the 3D views. All right, so what we want to do is click on the 90, and type E for erase and hit enter, and that's gone. Okay, so we know this pipe is at 0 because we can see it here, it's at 0. Well, we want to move this pipe. Okay, so just grab the pipe, move it up, I don't know, let's say 8 inches. 8 inches and hit enter. Okay, so let's look at the escape, 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 then re-highlight the pipe. And what's the elevation? Elevation is 8 inches. What's the elevation of this? Elevation is 0. Okay, kicks can only happen, and we learned that in video 3, right? Kicks can only happen in the XY plane. Well, look at the XY plane right now. It's XY, right? XY. Well, we want to kick this up and then 90 into this piece of pipe. Well, to kick it up, right now we're in the XZ plane. We cannot kick on that plane. We need to rotate Y to Z, and then we can kick it, right? So, okay, let's do that. Everybody type in UCS, hit enter. Okay, how are we going to get Y to Z? All right, look at this thing here. Well, X is your pivot point so that you can rotate Y to Z. So everybody type in X. You see the command line is asking you for a bunch of things. Well, we're going to tell it we want X and hit enter. Now, once you do that, see how you could drag this around and this UCS changes? Okay, that's what we want. X, Y, and Z. X and Y in that orientation. So let's click on the screen once. All right, see, X, Y. So this will be X, and this will be Y going up. All right, so let's make our kick and a 90. So the kick is going to be on this piece, and the 90 will come around and hit this. So grab the plus sign, which is the add conduit sign, and we're going to grab the middle of that. Click the center. Oh, look at that. Yeah, we got a kick and a 90. Now, down here in the command line, we get the accept, next, previous, number, blah, blah, blah. We are going to come over here and type in N. Let's see what other options we get. N. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, man, this is so cool. Look at that. do this all day long. Just sit here, do. All right. How about a 45 degree this time? All right. All right. So we like the 45 degree. And everybody come down here and see this accept. You can either click on that or you could type in A and hit enter and escape 3 times. Escape, escape, escape. Right now, you notice this UCS is still out of whack, right? So type in UCS, enter, and we're going to type in W, enter, and that is for UCS world. It returns us back to the normal world view, okay? Escape, 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 escape once you're done. All right. Congratulations, you just made a kick and a 90. It'll also work in this direction or other directions, but you get the idea. All right, so how about we look at this wonderful piece of work? Come up here to your view and go over to your visual styles, and let's go to conceptual. All right, now everybody hold down the shift key, hold down the center rolling wheel of your mouse, and you roll this around, you can let go, right? And so you can press both of them at the same time to move it around. Just let go if you want it to stop, and just admire this wonderful piece of work. All right, now so when you're done, let's take it back to the 2D visual styles. I'm going to go back to the Southwest isometric view. Okay, all right. So that's going to do it for this lesson, or video, this lesson and video, I guess. And everybody hit Control S. We are going to save that. All right. All right. That's it for the video, and I hope it's short enough to upload to YouTube, and I will see you on the next one.